Hello, my name is Christian Guzman, and this is Basic Chemistry. Let's move on, shall we? Yeah, boy! Extensive property. What is an extensive property, you may ask? The property that depends on the amount of matter in a sample. It's very simple. Example, mass, volume, and density. I love science, you know that, right? Yeah, I bet you do. Intensive property. An intensive property does not depend on the amount of matter, but the type of matter. The difference between gold and copper is an intensive property. And gold is still gold in this drawing over here. I don't know why it's green and this is red, but yeah, let's move on to our questions, okay? Yeah, boy, go away. Mass and volume. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter that an object may contain. Volume is a measure of the space occupied by a sample of matter. Let me give you an example. A basketball has greater mass and volume than a golf ball. Who is to the golf ball? You're irrelevant. States of matter. You should already know this by now, but solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, water is Water is a substance that can be in the 3 stages of matter. When water is frozen as ice, it can come back to its normal state by adding heat, turning it into a liquid. And when you evaporate the liquid, it turns into a gaseous state. I finally pulled that part off. Thank you very much. Physical change. Okay. This is very complicated. Well, not that complicated, but a physical change is the change of properties of a material, but the compensation is still the same. Okay? Let me explain in better detail. Water condenses, water freezes, water evaporates, but it's still water. Moving on. Chemical changes. A chemical change produces matter as a different composition other than the original matter. As we can see here, sugar and water, if it's heated, it turns into carbon. Pretty simple. Kind of not simple, but it's pretty simple. That is the end, folks! Chemistry rocks! Thank God I finished this! Yes, thank God.